So I had somebody the other day that asked me, Taria, how is it that you stay so excited and so motivated? And it's so funny because I was listening today to Myron Golden, Dr. Myron Golden. He has his 5 day challenge going on. This is my second time taking it too, by the way. But anyway, so on today, he was talking about wealthy people and the kind of way that wealthy people live their life is through high energy, right? High energy produces high results. And a lot of time people who are not necessarily where they want to be, whether it be financially, whether it be physically, emotionally, a lot of times in those spaces, their energy is low. And so one thing I've come to learn is that even in staying motivated, I have to keep high energy. I have to say high energy words. Some people say my vibration is off, right? You got to say things into your life, but with energy. A lot of times I'll tell people, I say, listen, what's your affirmation? What is it that you're speaking into your life? And they'll say, oh, well, I believe that, one day I believe that I'll be able to make $1 million. And they say it with that type of energy. And I'm like, nah, boo. You don't even believe that, right? I mean, successful people do not say, I affirm that one day I'll make $1 million and hopefully one day, and if all goes well and God willing. No, they say, listen, I affirm that I am happy and grateful now that I make over $1 million. And they say it with energy. And so a lot of times, like even when I'm talking to people, I'm like, listen, when you say your affirmations, you got to say it with emotion and you got to say it with high energy emotion, because high energy produces results. Low energy produces lack. Low energy produces setback. Low energy produces sadness. High energy produces happiness. And so how do I stay motivated? I make sure consciously that I focus on my energy. Now, yes, there will be times where I'm tired, but even when I'm tired, I got to pump myself up. I got to tell myself, Taria, you said you wanted this. Taria, your affirmation says I'm excited. I am grateful that I make $100,000 a month. And so I understand that in order for me to have the things that I desire, I got to say with high energy, Taria, you are a beautiful and loved wife of a whole rich and fine and sexy man. See, if I said that with low energy, child, I wouldn't be getting no fine, sexy man up in here. You've got to say things as though they are, but when you say them as though they are, how would you say it? If you know you came from the slums and now all of a sudden you're living the life of your dreams, you're flying private, you're driving whatever you want, you gonna say that with low energy? Nah. And so the first step to staying motivated is first of all, you got to make a conscious decision that you want what you say you want, right? But no matter how you feel, even if you just was upset, somebody made you mad, you've been crying, you've got to start speaking those things into your life, not just by just speaking them, not just by saying them out loud like monotone, but you must say it with energy. And do it over and over again. See, the crazy thing about the subconscious mind is that the subconscious mind does not believe that it's crazy. No, it doesn't. See, your subconscious mind believes whatever it is that it believes. If it believes that you see somebody over there and you talking to that person, that's what they call schizophrenia, right? Seeing different people. But people that have that sickness, unfortunately or fortunately for some people, they don't know that that's not, like, they don't not see that person because subconsciously in their mind they've created this altered situation. Well, also that goes for people that say things about themselves and you say it over and over again, like people that say, well, I'm broke or I ain't got it. I ain't got no money. Guys, whatever you say to yourself over a period of time will always be your truth. And so then people that don't got money, guess what? They say that with the intention that they want to. But if you want success, you've got to know that whatever you say about yourself, it's not just one thing to say it, but you must say it as though it's happened and feel it and speak it and get excited about it and say it with high energy. So listen, I'm done. I'm just saying, listen, that subconscious mind is a powerful thing, honey. People always be joking me, talking about Taria, you always talking about you gonna have a husband, or they joke me and say, Taria, you always talking about you gonna make, 100,000 a month. Soon it'll be 100,000 a week. Taria, it's always people, low level energy people that got something to say about when I say something about where I plan to be. But I've never had a wealthy person. I've never had a super successful person. I've never had a happily married person tell me that sounds crazy, because they understand the principles. All right, y'all. Well, anyways, I pray that y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you. Deuces.